Okay, guys, we are reading page 24, Work and Energy chapter. Okay, the most basic machines are called simple machines. They are called simple machines because they do work with one movement. The lever family. The three types of simple machines that make up the lever family are the lever, the pulley, and the wheel axle. There are several types of levers that all work the same basic way. The lever is a bar that can turn around a fixed point or fulcrum. When a screwdriver is used in a certain way, it is a lever. Imagine prying a paint can open with a screwdriver. As you push down on the handle of the screwdriver, the end of the screwdriver pushes up on the lid of the paint can. Force is transferred from one part of the bar, the handle, to another, the end of the screwdriver. The force is multiplied and work is made easier. Pulleys are modified levers. A pulley is a wheel with a rope or belt around it. The rope or belt moves around the wheel. Pulleys are used to lift things like raising a flag to the top of a flagpole. A wheel and axle is a lever or pulley that is connected to a shaft. When the wheel is turned, the axle also turns. Think of a steering wheel in a car. When a small amount of force is applied to the wheel, the car steering wheel, the force is multiplied and applied to the axle, the steering column. This turns the front wheels of the car. Okay, let's look at the picture here. All right, you can use a pulley to lift a sail on a boat. Okay, so that must be a pulley. All right, so the inclined plane family. The three types of simple machines that make up the inclined plane family are the inclined plane, the wedge, and the screw. When the person on page 23 pushes the box up the ramp, he used an inclined plane. When you push an object up a ramp, the ramp helps to lift the object upward. A wedge is two inclined planes joined together. It moves when it is used. Using a wedge is like pulling a ramp instead of pushing an object up a ramp. For example, an axe is a wedge. The axe pushes through wood and breaks it apart. A wedge changes a single downward force into two forces that push out to the sides. A screw is an inclined plane that is wrapped around a cylinder. The tightening a screw is like pushing an object up a ramp because a small force acts over a large distance. A jar lid is an example of a screw. Most things you use are made of a combination of simple machines. For example, a wheelbarrow is a combination of a lever and a wheel and axle. A machine made up of two or more simple machines working together is called a compound machine. All right, that was page 24.